Nas degree animal science. Na go to dia isomea sia yengi gerori. Kara research scientist.
Kake iyata pakena.
Kaata pakena ore kwanzia pakara kiti na kanyorra pakaigerisho. Kwanzia ti primary kaitobir apa nanu enkiti gazeti ayi openy. Tembuku kaitai ake notebook. Nas entirely kaiteru ake headlines mpaka mwisho napik sports siadi. Ore duo amu ore ntoiwuo ormaasai na kenyaanyuk ajo indim airelate. Ore paiteru ajoki mpapa kayieu naiger mbukui nejo kaasi aitaita ninteru iyie ajo iya mbukui kanyo pinger mbukui etiu ana oltung'ani teneji keranyisho neji kiranyisho ke career ina ishomo era degree
neeku ulipata some discouragement towards when you wanted to write.
Yes hizo ziko nekijokini kesi aitado ina ni asita ekincho ropiani ashugra invest in the wrong things amure na bi uni publish na ropiani pa denila ajo tiang kayu dani aigere mbuku kayu na publish na ropiani aje yiu nemata ndare rokoki maikona nikijokini ai keshuku yini la itorangi shop. So at the end of the day ore bebonu kuna buku iya buku
what atilere
aitorangi shulo narmasa ajo ki relate ntokitin pokon onkishu ore saidi taini ropiani
na ingase ilwana ajo kama ena sei nigira ajo
keshuku nkishu
nijoki ya
najoki keshuku kara nanu confident ajo kayiolo ajo kara passionate na siai na ore ntoki naiger na kenyor iltung'anak saying that you can do it kake melelek te kila mtu na ina pe mitabaya iltung'anak kumok vision
kanyo melelek vision kaya
kidemayu yes
wala ngura level super umesikia kila mtu net a vision kage melelek kage kidemaisi that is the inspiration part kidemayu yes tenaiamini koon niamini Enkai meeta ntoki nemende matasa tanakop amore kayie ntoki pokon ataasaki under the sun na kidemayu yes you just need the platform you need the motivation and you need yourself to be believe kon niamini ajo indim yes kaide marasa yes wow ole nguna lemeri super please unaweza nitawaambia aje
kidemayu
imagine kidemayu you see a book like this amukegira oltung'ani airola ashaandika like it's not easy but it is possible
it's doable mirora niminyorra metepetari enduata ino nimepeta si enduata ino. If you have a talent, if you have a dream to achieve something, there's nothing that is impossible. Nija na jagatejo. So you're given the platforms. Once you give yourself the platforms, one of the platforms is education. Ore nano aisho ndo iwe ine yankesoma. Since I graduated, it was more kasi. But I'm not here crying ajo maisha raisi aje. Because I came out, I knew I am a good writer. Naiteru igerisho, na publish mbuku hii. They are paying my rent. Exactly. Neeku ore tenayata enduata ntabai doi.
Very Super Show, inspiring lives.
Wow, oleng'ona le Mary Supet Show suboleng agira itomon eno sidai oleng enkai olong sidai nayajo shake Mary Supet Show inspiring lives poki olong Aramisi sare entara nagira itomon enarishara kigira apuo dukuya ayajo shake inspirational stories ayaki nkaati nikintukuj ayaki informational ashu show nikiyaki nikintengen nikintoki apik enkai roruata naaki sii iltung'anak oota mbaa naasita tiatua olosho le maa ayaki elelero naata enkitukuja toorkulie iltung'anak oota ntokitin naasita naa ore taata ashipa oleng amu aata Maison NKURRUNAH olole NKURRUNAH tenashoto enarok oloing'urani le Mary Supet Show olaigironi loombukui idipa tenakata aigero mbukui are na he's young but oltung'ani ogira aitukuj elelero tiatua olosho le maa neeku agira alo aitomon Maison yes
ashe oleng Mary
enarishata peekitum ashomo airoroki tenarishata nikijo ene Mary Supet Show karibu oleng
ashe oleng na usim kajo
you're my brother
karola lashe lino atoning'o sina nanu ajo tenganaishe ashe oleng thank you for having me
public aba
lelo taa lelo kesipa ashe oleng nanu taa ilo kaji Maison ole NKURRUNAH
Ole NKURRUNAH.
Ore pijo Ole NKURRUNAH.
Nah, it's another name.
It's another name.
Oh, kuna Ole NKURRUNAH.
Keetai Ole NKURRUMWA.
Oh.
So tenining naa neeku
Ole NKURRUNAH.
Yes. Neeku ashe oleng entasupa pookin laing'urak olainining'ok le Mary Supet Show kajo katejo aitobiraki.
Yes.
Thank you for tuning in. Ashe oleng naitoomon naa ntae maape tenebo.
Ashe oleng. Adol oshiake te mtandao. Yasita esiai sidai igira aigerisho natodua mbuku inonok. I think ulikuwa na launching sometime back like April.
This month, the first of this month. This past month.
Ndio ulikuwa na
1st of May hapa yes. Yes.
Na kukaribu oleng.
Asante.
Igira kala alikiyo kajo kanga ilelo Maison kenye yetubulwa. Mpaka nilotu ayiolou ajo olaigero nilo mbukui mpaka nilotu nye aiger imbuku. Yiolo ajo ketii iltung'anak oota keeta vision.
Yes.
Kake the vision is always in them. Nemeesa kata mitabaya kata na vision. Kaka at least wewe ulikuwa na vision ya kuandika vitabu na umeanza kuandika.
Yes.
Nako karibu sana utuambie irangai.
Ashe oleng. Ore ele barnoti na Ole NKURRUNAH ana naaji enatejo naa kaji Maison. Aing'ua emurua naji Olopito. Tenkare Narok North. Enkare Narok North. Kiata tadi ormarei te Kajiado. Neeku tenikiyieu duo nikiya Kajiado, kitii ewueji neji keji Narok Kajiado Central.
Kajiado Central.
Bulbul. Yes, ewueji netii irpurko.
Karibu na
Yes.
Okay.
Keji Kumba. Yes. So etii irpurko lenkaro netii enkang' Ole NKURRUNAH natii ine. Neeku aing'ua nanu Narok North. Ewueji neji Irkinye temurua Olopito. Kake atubulua naa ailoiki inewueji wena town ewueji neji Majengo. Ninye naa atubulunye amu tine aisume.
Te Majengo.
Yes. Naisume nursery tine, nalo primary, nalo Ole Sankale, nalo Naivasha boarding tine ashomo aisho class 8, nalo school naji Njeri School natii Murang'a. Napuku tine nalo South Eastern Kenya University, naas degree animal science. Neeku etu dii aisomea esiai enkigerore. Kara research scientist.
Kake iyata apa kena? Kaata
apa kena ore kuanzia apa kara kiti naa kanyor apa kaigerisho. Kuanzia atii primary kaitobir apa nanu enkiti gazeti ai openy tembuku kaitai ake notebook. Naas entirely kaiteru ake headlines mpaka mwisho napik sports siadi.
Paajo tula paas media.
Ore nooshi ibulu naa kepaasha ntokitin. Kiata apa ena toki naji JAB. Naa ina pidol tata ajo kigira aiteng'en iltung'anak amu ore career nigelu mayiolo apa nanu aloito campus. Amu maata naa apa oltung'ani tenkang' botor tenanu oyiolo. Neeku ore naa apa ajokini animal science iloito aas, mayiolo ninye nanu ajo keetai revision, keetai nyoo. Nalo ake aas amu etejo naa entoiwuoi kipoito university.
Okay, lakini si ni wewe ulichagua?
Mimi ndio nilichagua. Yes. It was one of the choices, kake it was below there. Neeku ore naa grade ai naipotokini.
Lakini mbona serikali wanaitianga mtu the last? Ukichagua the last
ndio unaitiwa hiyo. Na si ati umeanguka, you have the grade for them all. Kake mato shiri grade. Mure na siai apa nashomo aisomea animal science naa keusu esiai oonkishu ong'uesi research. Naa ntokitin naata irmaasai nena. Naa ore dia naa enkigerore, mee lasima piilo aisuma piitum degree. Tena ira passionate, niyiolo eniasita, neeku kagira aas pookin. Aasita research tenaalo, nagira aiger imbukui ainei tenaalo.
Neeku entoki apake ninyorrita kiti.
Yes.
Ketii apa ngolikinot imayie ibolu tenaa maisha ilikuwa.
Unajua sisi ni human beings. Neeku lasima ake peeta ngolikinot. Maidim duo atejo nanu aimayie ngolikinot kumok tenkisuma. Amu ore entoiwuoi ainei isume ninye mpapa. Neeku oltung'ani apa onyorr ninye enkisuma. Naa ina apa piitayieu yiok torkijiji neyau sukuulini e town amu keyieu apa nikitum a good foundation, a quality education. Neeku etu aimaa ngolikinot kumok. Aibung'a enkaina pii enaa ore duo amu ore intoiwuo ormaasai naa kenyaanyuk ajo indim airelate. Ore paiteru ajoki mpapa kayieu naiger imbukui, nejo kaa siai taa ninteru iyie ajo. Mbukui, kanyo piinger imbukui? Etiu enaa oltung'ani teneji keranyisho, neji kiranyisho, ke career ina, ishomo eeta degree. Neeku
ulipata some discouragement towards when you wanted to write.
Yes. Hizo ziko. Nekijokini kesiai taadoi ina niasita. Ekincho ropiyiani. Ashu gira invest in the wrong things. Amu ore naa piiyieu nimpublish naa ropiyiani. Pa tenilo ajo tiang' kayieu taa aiger embuku, kayieu naipublish naa ropiyiani aja eyieu nemaata. Entaretokoki maikuna. Nikijokini keshuku. Yieu nilo aiturraa nkishu. So at the end of the day ore peeponu kuna bukui aapuku
atilere
aitorraa nkishu yiolo naa irmaasai ajo ki-relate ntokitin pookin onkishu ore saa hii piitaini iropiyiani
na king'asa aikilikuana ajo kama ena siai nigira ajo keshuku
nkishu
nijoki ya
najoki keshuku kara naa nanu confident ajo kayiolo ajo kara passionate ena siai naa ore entoki naiger naa kenyor iltung'anak neeku keshuku naa nkishu amu kisumi naa mbukui
na kinyang'uni ake
yes
neeku kama ulianza kujua kwamba ingerisho anu
kaidim atejo officially aiterua aigerisho atii university aisho apa university 2019 neeku between 2016 and 2019 kagira kaigerisho kake ore naa paapuku te university nakata aewuo aipublish embuku edukuya kake kaidim naaji atejo aigerishe all my life amu ore apa atii primary kara napa kera naisumi compositions te parade neeku kaigerisho naa apake kayiolo apake ajo I was a good writer neeku maidim atejo ore naa duo in legal terms ataa kagira aigerisho for the last 4-5 years amu nakata na publish embuku apa edukuya
na yani hii vision ulikuwa umekario la jo iltung'anak oota vision ama ketii nye iltung'anak laa kena vision mpaka nemorua arashu neer kulie era wanaofa kutoa
mitabaya
etu apa yie mitabaya etu apa yie ureyu ajo amasa tena siai ya urubiani metii duo apa maswali nigira aikilikuan keon before you start writing
lazima ake peetii nena swali amu first of all ore isumita nkulie siaitin orkulie tung'anak midol ake enino ana isidai dol ake ana mabaiki taadi nanu ena kigerore naigerito ele kake that is what is special about everyone's ability kaata apa nanu passion na kaata oshi nanu aitubulutua apa ntoiwuo ainei agira aiteng'ena ajoki you are enough ore ake piidoli ajo itii sawa na iyiolo ajo isidai eniasita go ahead neeku atubulua nanu ara confident ajo ore paiger entoki na isidai mayieu education oltung'ani paajoki oltung'ani eji isidai ashu torrono aigero isidai kainining ake criticism kake isidai neeku etu nanu agil tau tenaajoki oltung'ani apa abolo kegol esiai enkigerore neeku ingerisho amu nija ejo iltung'anak kijokini kegol amu kegol doi weaving a story out of nowhere na kegol
passion
it is passion kake for you to write to put something from your mind hata kama tenayata duo entoki nikigira inspire for you to put the words na rhyme na itoke vile inatakikana that entire thing that is creativity. The creativity is not easy. It's not, I'm not saying it's not easy, I'm saying that you can do it. Kage melelekte kila mtu na ina metabaya iltung'anak kumok vision
kanyo melelek vision kaya
kidemayu yes
wala ngura very super umesikia kila mtu net a vision kage melelek kage kidemaisi that is the inspiration part kidemayu yes tenaiamini koon niamini enkai meeta entoki nimindim ataasa tenakop amu ore akeyie entoki pookin nataasaki under the sun naa kidemayu yes you just need the platform you need the motivation and you need yourself to be believe koon niamini ajo indim yes kaidim ataasa yes wow ole nguna lemeri super please unaweza nitawaambia aje
kidemayu
imagine kidemayu you see a book like this amu kegira oltung'ani airola ashaandika like it's not easy but it is possible
it's doable
wow paka ma case stories zinger poems anakanyo
poetry ora apa tormasai kigo back oshi amu kayieu naisho enkiti back story ora apa bolo ati tanalo orkijiji over the holidays am boarding school na ewu alo kaata apa lenkakula lolotu aidurunye ntare enkop na kenapa apa enkiti radio keeta inapa transistor radios apa naata irmaasai naanyor ake iltung'anak tenepuo show na kinining apa ninye eoko oltung'ani oji olempata amu kaji ado ing'ua ilo kaji iyiolo he passed on is late neetai oltasat oji ole sopie ing'ua enaabori ole sopie lorgiso yeah so ore apa ele tasat amu keng'arieki na my mom olenkapulai he will listen to that the whole day and naaku nanu very attracted to the poetry of the Maasai people mgera dabar Maasai poetry doina teninining egira isifu nkishu nisifu enkop nisifu nkera enye yani na attract apa nanu nasiai kaigerisho tam kaiger stories kaiger even trying to write a novel right now kage poetry apa entoki edukuya na tetelana nanu naiteru apa kaiger te Kingereza kaigerito diata te Maasai kage roneto publish te Maasai Kage nena tokitin apa nanu naitubulaitie metaa poetry.
Neeku
yes.
Mbaa natii atua Maasai.
Yes. Na inspire na ore poetry na ntokitin nikimanita niki inspire. Ata sai enatonata na inspire ngero poem. Naiger apa embuku edukuya poetry collection eta 65 poems. Keji I'm writing an elegy by the river Sea page and other poems. Ore ena buku na keimaki ake maisha lo. Era ormaasani era enkerai ormaasai torkiji iloito school. Ninye the different poems here. O maisha ake kawaida. Ntokitin natii kila siku. Ore ena na keji Getorati. Ninye my second book ninye launcha last month. Getorati. Ore Getorati ni entoki najo lashumba enarna. It's not a word, it's a combination of two words. Kejo lashumba portmanteau.
Portmanteau.
Yes, it's a ghetto o literati. Ore literati na oltung'ani onyor enkisuma, oltung'ani onyor art, music, painting, ninye literati. Tenintushul pokira neeku Getorati. Neeku ore Getorati na nanu. Atubulua torghetto na kanyor.
So this one naongelea about you.
Yes, this is me. This book ore poetry pokira natii atua ene na nanu egira describe ntokitin nanyor. Embulunoto ai te Majengo, ntokitin natii Majengo natodua agira abulu. Yes.
Wow.
Yeah.
That is so beautiful. Wacha assume na zinapatikana kweli online ama
for now independent publishing oshiasita. Na yako nanu os amwate jazz marketing.
What do you mean by
independent publishing? There are two types of publishing. There are traditional publishing where enjoy your manuscript, to the traditional publishing houses, no Moran, no East African educational publishers. Na kiteke na time amu milaka itoki. Njage wakiamua it can be published na yako royalty situm once they publish. Kage this one EU apangai system naji independent publishing. Ilage publishing house enjoy your manuscript nipitia editors lenye. Nejisidai anasia nikilikini quotation. Nilak nikintaikini copies inonok yoyole ningo pe market yoyole ningo pe mer. That's what I do. Now these books can be found nanu laide my show. Ketumita Nairobi Tenuria bookstore.
Wapi?
Nuria. Na yako niyoshi na stock in publishing of independent publishers. All independent publishers like Kenya na atine tumimbuku yenye.
All ngani na yori Kajiado.
Na kairewagi yake. That's what I've been doing. Or for the last 1 year kagira kairewagi tungana koti Kajiado, noti ngulie townini. We just carry the book nikirewagi ye.
Yeah, you can give out your number.
Na ore teniyewu either of the books ashu pokira, na ikitum toko namba. Mayolta na kayola rejo teke Maasai kake 0715 978 808. Na kaishoyo shake na namba te social media ai, na ishoyo amuninje WhatsApp namba ai, kiricha kwa oltung'ani, we work it out na irewaki embuku.
Ilo liesi Barnodo loshole mama adolta ajo boichai wanalia sana. Wanasema kegira organization naingwa like yeah. So what do you tell them? Because me sometimes I think not sometimes na semanga wana empower girl child because tumekuwa chini for long. Na boy child you already empowered by the society and God. So you're not supposed to
are you saying God is not empowering girls? No, that is on a light note. Yeah, that's on a light note. For me, kwanza mimi I consider myself I'm a person kara na nokagira me mbugu ya kaigerito. I've been doing community work for a long time. Ore ngole kiti ngole school na jola Shapani girls. Kisho mongo la inspire ndoye. Kisho ma inspire I motivate ajogi you can be whatever you want to be. Nemento ya kegira inspire. Kegira inspire sininchelewa. Na kajogi shiaga na noltungana kamu when I post ajo ashomo school nikipo inspire tungana nijigira I live out. Barnot Lora kijanani show la yoke
boy child
yeah
la yoke.
Now what I say is meral tungani ogira live out anyone. Karana no a boy. I grew up as a boy, I'm a man now, and I was inspired and I was motivated by seeing people doing the things they are doing. Already saisi ninje lewa tiatu angajua Maasai kieti disi ninje logra itashalo. For example itashalo ate amu amanare nijo kanyo bigrara empower ndoye nimigrara empower yok. Now most of them are people who are on social media. Kanyo be me empower ye. Start a motivation for boys. Start a project that will empower boys. May you never be against it all the time.
Yeah. Like if you getting a solution from other places,
yes.
Way solution.
Yes. All the projects I guess that yoke na skin in the game Grammar Creatives Network. It empowers both genders equally. And when you DC yoke ni empower lewa Lor Maasai ana vile nagra empower ndoye. Nimigi you worry anyone out.
Yeah.
Because the intimidation comes in tenego ilepieki entito netu ilepu sininye nyoo orkijanai ashu olayoni
sasa nani atamuoa
who na kepuo meema lewa lokulie oreren which is happening. Neeku I think it's also a matter of mindset. Ore ake pira yole and you are empowered di school nikigira aisum ngai na natejo misomita ilewa they are being educated kake they wanafika mahali pia wao wanachoka na masomo, they are also dropping out of school. Pama ndo yirene teneku kegira ninja isoma nimegira yisoma, who are you to blame? Yeah, you're blaming yourself. Kake keeta tadi loopholes keti waiting na kesepa kishorita ndoye scholarships na mishorita layok. So those are places maybe they should be addressed. Kage meyusi ni niki njiroleng ke unique. Yes, niki act, let's act.
Imagine hii inafata imotivate wanaume ni mwanao nidolta altung'anak egira ayampoa ndoyie ning'wanda kifaa ni motivate binyok
exactly exactly mimi sikupewa scholarship yeah yeah
wow
yes.
So kanyindi matiaki oltung'ani ote nduata la yote nalishana
kaide matiaki oltung'ani pookin ake yote ende wueji amuni joshi akajo mirora niminyorra metepetari enduata ino nimipeta si enduata ino. If you have a talent, if you have a dream to achieve something, there's nothing that is impossible. Nija na jagatejo. So you're given the platforms. Once you give yourself the platforms, one of the platforms is education. Ore nano aishondo iwe ine yankesoma. Since I graduated, it was more kasi. But I'm not here crying ajo maisha raisi because I came out, I knew I am a good writer. Naiteru igerisho, na publish mbuku hii. They are paying my rent. Exactly. Neeku ore tenayata enduata ntabai doi. Approach oltung'ani tena iyu ningerisho ya approach ake nanu maatoliki ajo kaji im payas publishing pingerisho and I'll help you. Yes,
thank you so much.
Assuring
And atishipa oleng mukadolo shake te mtandao, you're doing a great job.
So are you're doing a very good job.
Thank you so much. Uliniambia ya kwamba unafuatanga Mary.
I do yeah.
Thank you. It's also a vision that nimekuwa nayo na Mungu anatenda. Yeah.
You know, I knew you were working in media houses before.
Yeah.
And then you started doing the Mary Supet show.
Yeah.
And I think this is one of the first few shows zenye zinafanywa in Masailand zenye ni on a personality.
Yes.
There are very few. Yeah. And kajo kaya umuna kanka imetama yana do ndaibo kena oltung'ani ake yo set something to change Masailand.
Thank you so much.
Yes.
Ashole Mungu akubariki. Amu anoto la lashe tene wait narok na mimi leo sina
shida akengar kena. Yes. Entitanga?
Yeah, kare
entitanga. Mara shida. Ashole. Thank you so much.
Wow, thank you so much. Oleng'una nile Mary Supet show. Kayiolo ajo keeta entoki ninoto nchere ore teniata enduata meleleta kake inyo ndaiki enduata inonok inamuka inyo shomo dukuya inyo taasa esiai amu nakata kintabaya enaduo toki niyieu amu meeta entoki nimidimayu by the way naa ore paata nanu ena show naa yani I just want to encourage someone. It has always been my vision or my entoki apake nayieu naas tiatua maisha nchere ku-encourage hata nikiwa shule. Nilikuwa na encourage nikiwa high school, nilikuwa naitwa ni encourage watu na saizi tuko hapa agira ajo pa encourage ye Olaing'urani le Mary Supet show. Neeku mainyangu kuna buku hii
I show you my number. Yeah. Enjoy again.
Yes, kaiger number enyanak tenewueji. No nambuku hii you can call utapata Kajiado. Neti si Nairobi teniyieu kiliki ake ajo kaji ka workshop ena natumieki te
Nairobi. Yeah.
Natumieki tendewueji te Nairobi. Mainyangu mai promote nkera ang ormaasai nagira aas esiai sidai naijo Maison NKURRUNAH. Na by the way you don't use an English name?
I have an English name but I don't use it.
Why?
Because I don't want to. I'm Maasai through and through. Hata tenisho mo school maintain enkarna ino ormaasai. Na nija kajoki iltung'anak pookin.
Neeku yieu nalimu enkarna yake.
Yeah, tumia duo enkarna ino. Amu ore nanu kaji Charles, neeku maidim ake aibelekenya amu aisho apa ntoiwuo. Kake ore naa ena toki naidim ai controller enkarna ai ake aitumia. Yes.
Thank you so much. Olaing'urani le Mary Supet show ayieu erishata sidai namayiana. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel tine tiabori. Show lenta tenkaraki supporting. Yani sijui naweza kuwapatia nini kake nashukuru sana. Kama huja subscribe bado show abori tine weji subscribe to my YouTube channel, support this vision, support this show and God will bless you. Agra yugerishara sidai namayiana kaji Mary Supet nareneleshao aka Nayagosi. Thank you.
Maison Pet Show, inspiring lives.